Hi guys, Alpha Wolf here. Now if you have seen this video, count yourself blessed, count yourself lucky, because this video is going to be the video that you need to make your first $1, at least $1 online. You can go on to make $20, $100, $1,000 after watching this video, but this one, if you have never made one kobo on the internet, your first $1 you're going to make it from this video. Yes, and I'm in a very happy place, so that is why I'm going to be sharing this content to you guys, because I am already having 16,000 family members, 16,000 subscribers on YouTube. This means a lot to me. I thank each and every one of you, 16,000 of you that found me worthy to subscribe to my channel, to learn from me, to join my amazing family. I do not take each and every one of you for granted. I love you guys, and I hope you continue to grow as a family. Right now, today's video, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make at least $1 daily online. Yes, $1 in naira is equivalent to like probably 750 naira or 740, 750 with the exchange rate, the current exchange rate in black market. And if you go on to follow this process very well, you can go on to make as much as $10 daily, which is like 7,500. It is a huge money, like for average Nigerians. Now imagine you are making 7,500 every day. Let me just quickly open my calculator, do some. So 7,500 naira times 30 days. Look at this, you'll be making 225,000 naira. Yes, it is very feasible, very realistic. Is it easy? It is easier than you carrying bricks on your head. It's easier than you selling pure water. It's easier than you waking up in the morning, running up and down, coming late at night. So it is technically easy, but from the place of making money online, it is you need to do some tax, you need to have internet, you need to have data, you need to have a mobile phone. So it is not very difficult, but it is not just free money. You have to put in the work, right? I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can make this money. And yes, if you are making $1, which is 750 naira from this particular website I'm going to reveal to you in the next few minutes, and you multiply it by 30 days, that means you'll be making 22,500 naira at the end of the month. 22,500 naira to 220,500. I think it is, 225,000 naira. It is huge amount of money for anybody, right? So if you are working and you are doing this one aside, or you are making 22,500 extra on whatever you are making, it is big. And if you are making 100,000, you are making 225,000 naira, it is huge. So the name of this website is called sproutsgig.com. I'm going to search it on Google so you can see Sprouts Gig, right? This is the website, sproutsgig.com. Now sproutsgig.com is a freelance platform where you do micro jobs. They call this kind of platform micro worker freelance platform, where you can help people to complete tasks. In Nigeria, we have platforms like this that are called Naira workers and side gig. But this Sprout Gig is an international platform. Another platform that is similar to Sprouts Gig is Pico Workers, right? So I'll be focusing on Sprouts Gig for this video because this platform, they actually pay, they genuinely pay. Look at this, sproutsgig.com. hire freelancers to help with small gigs, and you can make money online. Our online marketplace help employers to hire freelancers across the world. There are a lot of places or platforms on the internet that they promise to pay you money, but they don't pay. This particular platform is based on research and experience. And the interesting thing is that for those of you that don't have PayPal account, Payoneer account, you can make your money. You can get paid in Skrill. You can get paid with Litecoin, that is in crypto, which everybody can actually just create a crypto account, maybe like a Binance account or a Trust Wallet account, and you can collect your money. So you don't have any reason not to collect your money. Once you earn as much as $5, you can begin to withdraw your money. Let me just take you to the website now. So sproutsgigs.com, I'm going to give you a referral link you can use to create your account and start earning. With this link, you will not have any problem whatsoever, and any issue you have, I can help you to solve them if you use that link. Right now, if you come to the sign up page, you're going to see everything that concerns the website here, what they do, what they offer. You can see you work for people and you get paid money, multiple ways to get work done. You can see that as a freelancer, people are going to pay you. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be ready to put in little time in this place, and you're going to get paid in return. Now let's leave that. If you want to create your account, you're going to come to this sign up page. You come to this sign up page and you're going to click on sign up, right? When you click on sign up, you're going to fill your informations and get your account started. So look at this. This is something very important. That is why I had to come to the sign up to show you, right? Your real name is very important. So you're going to write your real name here, and you're going to write your email address here, right? You're going to put the password you want, and you're going to rewrite the password, right? Then you're going to put your nickname, the name that you want to be on your Sprout Gig account. Then you're going to select your country. Nigerians are allowed on this platform, so you don't need to be scared. All you need to do is to just go to N. You can see Nigeria here. You click on Nigeria. Now when you click on Nigeria, please take note. What you're going to do is you can select the profile type you want. You're going to select I am a worker. I am a worker. I am a worker simply means you are coming to the platform to work, to make money. If you select I'm an employer, it means you are coming to the platform to give jobs. So you select I'm a worker, then you're going to click on I agree, and you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, they might send you a mail for you to do confirmation. Just follow the process, and once you follow the process, you're going to open your dashboard. It will look like something like this. So you're going to see Sprout Gig, you're going to see gigs, micro jobs, survey, offer, wallet. The wallet is because you can actually collect your money through cryptocurrency, and this is the way you withdraw your money. When you're going to see how much you have earned in this place, you see the transaction you have done, the pending transactions here. You can change the color of this background if you want it to change from white to black. Once you click on it, it's going to turn to black, but I still like the white. Now when you come to this place, when you come to job level, there are different jobs you can find here. So look at the most recent job. Now this job, they will show you the number of people that needs to do the job, and once you complete the job, you get paid, right? Look at this particular job, complete social stuff, write a comment on our video, and they're going to pay you $1. So this is how you make your first dollar. All you need to do is to click on this particular job that they want you to do. I can open this in a new tab. If you want to be very fast, very quick, you can just open this one in a new tab, open the next one in a new tab, open the next one in a new tab. You follow these jobs, you open them in a new tab. You can open like 10 jobs and you just do them very fast. So the jobs are always very simple. This one is to comment on our article, and they'll pay you 8 cents. 8 cents is almost $1. 8 cents to be like over 500. Look at this one. They said complete a human verification and follow us on Instagram. We are going to pay you 5 cents. 5 cents is half of $1, so we're looking at probably 3 something. You can look at this one, SEO content. You're going to get 30 pennies. So you will see some stuff that are in cents, there are some that are in dollar. For example, you can see this one is 3 cents. 3 cents, if you add 3 cents to 8 cents, that is $1, 1 cent, right? So if you add this one to this $1, you have made like 2 cents in one day. And there are other tax you can go on to check, like this one is 4 cents. Look at 4 cents. This particular tax here is 4 cents. It said just watch and subscribe to a YouTube channel. These are things that you do for free normally. So imagine you doing them and getting paid. Now you will see some tax that they will have like the number of people that have completed it. Once you see that this is like they need 410 people to do the tax. Currently 400 have done it. This particular tax now, they are going to pay you 1 cent. They need 11,100 people to do the tax. Currently 9,000. They need extra 2,000. So you can come here to actually do all these tasks, complete all these tasks, and make money from this platform, right? Another thing you're going to do is you can come to the job level. If you want jobs that are going to pay you more money, you can come to the job level and sort these jobs, right? You sort the job. Now you are currently a starter. There's a level you work to. You can come to the advanced level, and you are going to be seeing more money for any job you are doing. And you're going to see, if you come to the expert level, you have chance to do jobs that has more money, like jobs that can be paying you like $5 per tax and stuff. So all these things are processes. Now there are various categories. We have the jobs that has to do with you signing up, creating an account on some platforms. You have to be very careful on any platform you are signing up on, because you'll be revealing your details. Make sure those platforms are legit platforms. If you think that the platform, you have any reason to doubt the credibility of those platforms, please, I advise you not to actually sign up on those platforms, because you need to follow your guts and your instinct always, right? If there are some platforms that they want you to promote their content, do SEO, search or comment and all those kind of stuff, you can make money from there. There are some that has to do with data entry, data collection, survey and stuff. You can actually do those tasks. Some want you to join their Telegram, follow them on TikTok. They are paying you money to do things that normally you would do for free. For example, when I tell you guys to, if you really like this video, leave a comment on this video. A lot of you guys are going to comment on this video. So imagine somebody paying you money to comment. Guys, if you love this video, just write thank you for this video, drop more videos, so that I'll know that you guys actually like the video. Then I'm going to show you guys more platforms like this that can pay you. So when you come to Sprout Gig, there are a lot of tasks you can do. All these tasks that I have seen padlock, once you do them, the padlock will unlock, right? These are currently free jobs you can do. There are a lot of tasks. If you come here every day, you'll be seeing latest tax. So with this, you can make as much as $10 in a day. Very simple, and I used to do Sprout Gig. I used to do Pico Workers in my early days when I started making money online, and that was simply because those were the things that could give me fast money, but right now I've gone beyond that phase. I don't do all this kind of small tasks again. We just go for bigger money, and I've actually taught a lot of you guys some of the stuff that I do that fetch me money online. So this is for beginners that have never made money on the internet. This is like my way of saying, take $1 for free, right? If you want to collect your money, because a lot of people are more concerned about their money they want to collect on Sprout Gig, you're going to click on request payment. You click on request payment, but before then, let me show you this particular tax now, and I'm going to give you the details of the tax, right? The one that's going to pay you $1. You can see here, they said the countries that this tax excludes, right? They don't want Bangladesh, they don't want Ghana. So Nigerians are allowed. Every country are allowed apart from Bangladesh and Ghana. You understand? So you guys can go on to the platform and comment on their video, right? And once you comment, you're going to show them what you have done so that they can pay you. Now once you go to the platform to comment, they give you instruction on the things to do. Now this is it. You're going to go to this platform, https://commentvideo2023.blogspot.com. you are going to watch the video, then you are going to click on watch now. Then when you complete the human verification to unlock the video, you must watch the video for 10 seconds, and every other thing you need to do are here. Everything's are very, very explained. Is not actually a big deal. So when you finish, you're going to put a screenshot. You write down the title of the video, because when you open that video, you will see the title there. You're going to put a screenshot of the video to prove that you have watched it, and once you finish everything, you click on submit proof, and once you click on submit proof, you get your $1. Sharp is work and collect, chop I chop. That is how you make money on this platform, right? So if you are really serious, you want to make money in dollars this year, and you want to make your first $10 this week, or even in 3 days, in 2 days, this is the platform you need to start from, guys. Yes, if you take it serious, then you make something out of it. Now to withdraw your money, a lot of people are very concerned about that. When you come to the request withdrawal wallet, you're going to see the instructions that you need to follow to withdraw your money. Now you need a minimum of $5 that you have earned on this platform. Once you earn the $5 there, you can be able to withdraw. So look at this. You can withdraw your money through AIRTM. I'm not familiar with this. I buy Litecoin. You can withdraw money through Litecoin. Once your money reach over $5 plus, you can withdraw your money through Litecoin. You can withdraw through Skrill. You can withdraw through Uphold. But Litecoin is one that is very, very easy for even Nigerians to withdraw from. You will not have any issue withdrawing through Litecoin, right? So guys, this is something that you guys can easily do. I'm going to put a link in the description, like I told you guys earlier, so that if you want to create your account, you can use that link to create, so that you will not have any problem whatsoever. And once you use that link to create an account, anything that you have, any challenge you have whatsoever, leave that in the comment section. I'll do it to answer everybody. You guys know that I try as much as possible to answer every questions you have when I make videos like this. Don't forget to like this video, share it to your loved ones that are looking for ways to make money, that are seeing shaggy in this Buhari economy, that want to make money in dollars. Leave comments for any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out, and I hope to see you in my next video.